Hello everyone, I am Sajid here. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to show you friends another benchmark comparison between the Snapdragon 870 versus Dimensity 1200. Right now, I'll be using the Mi11X as a sample for the Snapdragon 870 chipset. And recently, friends, the Realme X7 Max is coming with the Dimensity 1200, so which is already present in the Realme Geo GT device. So which has got the Dimensity 1200, and a lot of users, they are really curious to know what is the Antutu benchmark test results for the Dimensity 1200. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends. In case if you are watching first time this channel, make sure to check the links in description as well. I already uploaded so many videos on the Mi11X as well. So if you are having any other doubts regarding the smartphone, so make sure to comment below. Don't forget to check this TikTok live wallpaper, or you can actually install in your mobile phone. So let's begin the Antutu benchmark comparison, friends. So first thing is that let me try to open quickly the Antutu benchmark application. So right now I do not have the Realme Geo or GT device, so Realme Neo GT device, but I do have the Antutu benchmark test results which I did gather from the online. So let me try to quickly show you, friends. So here is the Realme GT Neo smartphone, as you can see here. So which I scored about 7 lakhs Antutu benchmark test results, as you can see here, friends. So whereas the Mi11X, which has a Snapdragon 870 chipset, which scored about 6 lakhs 77,000, as you can see. So which is also called as the Redmi K40 as well. So there's a difference of not much difference, only maybe 10,000 difference. But usually when I do the Antutu benchmark test again and again in this phone, sometimes even I used to see the test results up to 7 lakhs as well. So overall, friends, the final point is that the Dimensity 1200 and the Snapdragon 870 chipset both are having same kind of performance. So everything it's going to be same between both the phones, friends. Only thing is that what will be the price of the Realme X7 Max? Will the price of the Realme X7 Max is going to be same like Mi11X, or will it be more than Mi11X, or will it be less than Mi11X? So that is what the real concern is. But in terms of the performance wise, so you no need to worry at all. The Realme GT Neo has same kind of performance as the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So that's it, friends. This is a quick confirmation about the both Antutu benchmark test results. So there's nothing much major improvement is happening in terms of the Realme GT Neo device. So for more details, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos. And thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.